Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the QX60 to ACC or on so the head unit is active. This lets the system scan. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. That's essential because the car looks for visible devices. Once done, keep the phone unlocked and open the Bluetooth settings. This helps you confirm pairing codes quickly. Make sure you are within a few feet of the dash so signal interference is minimal and pairing proceeds smoothly. You now use the Infiniti menu. Tap Menu, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. This navigates the system to pairing mode because pairing must be initiated from the head unit. Select Add New Device or Pair New Device so the car broadcasts its Bluetooth name. You should see something like Infiniti Bluetooth XXX on your phone. Once you select that name on your phone, the car and phone exchange a PIN or confirm a passkey. Verify the numbers match to ensure a secure connection. You finish by confirming the pairing prompt on both the QX60 screen and your phone. Also allow contact and call permissions so hands-free features work. After the devices connect, test by playing music or making a quick call to verify audio routing and microphone function. This proves everything is communicating correctly. If pairing fails, restart your phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry pairing. That simple reset clears common Bluetooth cache issues and often fixes stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.